We're looking at the minor pentatonic scale. We're actually looking at the A minor pentatonic scale. Pentatonic scale, meaning a 5-note scale. Minor, meaning it has a minor sound. And A, meaning we're going to start on the A note, right here on the 5th fret of the 6th string. So A minor pentatonic scale sounds like this. And this is one of our most useful scales in blues, rock, soloing, melodies. I mean, it's used in funk, it's used in jazz, it's used all over the place. So especially as a guitar player, it's one of the most important scales to know if you don't already know it. So let's check this out. It's going to start here on the 5th fret of the 6th string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to use my first finger. I'd like you to try to use the fingerings that I'm going to show you here. Then the next note is 8 on the 6th string. So it's 5th fret, 8th fret. Now I go down a string to the 5th fret of the 5th string with my first finger, 7th fret with my 3rd finger, down a string to the 4th fret, the 4th string, 5th fret with my first finger, 7th fret with my 3rd finger, down to the 3rd string, 1st finger on the 5th fret, 3rd finger on the 7th, so a lot of repetition. 2nd string, 1st finger on the 5th fret, pinky or 4th finger on the 8th fret, 1st string, 1st finger on the 5th fret, and pinky on the 8th fret. All right, so let's review that again. We got 6th string, 5, 8, and that's with your pinky with 8. I know it might feel uncomfortable, but I want you to use your pinky. Next string, 5, 7. These are your frets I'm calling out. 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 8. Now you don't have to release your first finger when you're playing these. I'm just doing it because I want you to really see what finger I'm using. But I'll generally play it without releasing my first finger. Okay, so this is a minor pentatonic scale. This is something you really want to get memorized because it's really like a pattern. And guitar is a very pattern instrument, especially when you're playing scales. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it together, just going down real slow. Let's do each one giving 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Next string, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next string, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, and 8. All right, so how'd you do? I know it's if you're just new to it, it's going to take you just a minute here to kind of nail it. So let's give you one more shot. Let's go back to the beginning. So low 6th string, 5th fret. We'll do the same thing, 2 beats per note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. First finger, now 4th finger, 1st finger, and stop right here. Let's hold it right there. Now I want to go back, so I want to descend going backwards. So starting from 8, 3, 4, 8 to 5, now 8 to 5, now 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, and 5. Now with the right hand, you can do, I was doing just all downstrokes there, but this is a great exercise to also try to do alternate picking. So downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, upstroke. So let's try it again, just like we did, ascending, descent, but try alternate picking. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, upstroke. Now back, so downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, upstroke, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and up. All right. Let's go ahead and do this with the backing track, and then I'm going to show you one other thing after that. So let's check it out. A 1, 2 half notes. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And we're just going to ascend here. So now stop here. All right. So remember, that's called the A minor pentatonic scale. I really want you to get that scale down. But I want to show you one other thing. So check this out. If I go back to the 5th fret here, so this scale will eventually be used for our soloing purposes. Which we'll get to in future lessons. The other thing, though, I want to show you is that we can move this scale up and down. So if we were on the 5th fret for this one, and that was A, what happens if we move it down to the 3rd fret? And now we start to scale here, but we do the same pattern. Notice my fingering is exactly the same. The only difference is I'm on different frets because I'm starting at different position. Instead of the 5th fret, I'm in the 3rd fret. This now is called G minor pentatonic because this note is a G. Now what happens if I move it down to the 1st fret and I do the same pattern? Now I'm playing F minor pentatonic because I'm on F. So the guitar is a great instrument because it's real easy to go from different keys even though you just have to play the same pattern. All right, there's your A minor and other minor pentatonic scales.